This wig comes from Wiggins Hair. This will be linked below. Let's do an unboxing. Today we're going to be installing the HD lace, and this is a 13x4 wig. They give you an edge band, lashes, and a wig cap. I'll throw in the storage bag, so if you would like to store your wig, you can have something to store your wig in. Alright, so let's unbox the wig. This is HD lace medium cap. They may have it in different sizes. You have to check the link in the description box to see, but this one is a medium, and this is a 13x4 HD lace in 24 inches. Ooh, straight out the box. The hairline is absolutely gorgeous. Look at gorgeous. Okay, let me turn it around. That is flawless, and this is a natural color. Ooh, there are no knots in this wig. The hair comes, oh my god, the hair comes pre-curled. I actually turned on my curling iron, y'all, and I don't even have to curl the hair. It's already curled. And then this is the inside of the cap, that 13x4 parting. You also get the band so you can wear this glueless. With the back look, they also put in the adjustable strap. Y'all, straight out the box, this wig is pre-curled. Like, these are curls. Like, I literally was like, okay, I'm gonna curl the hair. I'm gonna turn on my curling iron. What? And they're bouncy too? This wig is amazing already. I haven't even put it on. Look at that hair. I've never gotten a wig that's styled like this already. I've done styling to wigs, okay, and I've customized them, but I've never got one. Smells clean too, so you don't even have to wash it. Pop this on. Don't have to do anything but cut. Try this again. I gotta do this again because that was just unbelievable. Straight out the box, y'all. Out the box. This, hold on, this is fabulous. This is really nice straight out the box. I can't stop saying that enough. So this is their HD lace frontal. You can get it in straight or body wave wig. It has undetectable lace, and it is human hair. 100% human hair, okay? This is thick. You can get it in lengths between 12 to 36 inches. If you want to, you can choose to get the cap in a 5x5, 13x4, 5x5 HD lace, 13x4 HD lace, or 13x6 HD lace. So you have options here. So if the price is too much for you on one cap, go to another cap and try it out, and they give you plenty of options. You can get the density between 150 to 250. I'm gonna assume that this is 200, and it is again 24 inches. As far as cap sizes, I'm guessing it only comes in a medium cap. And this is the curls out of the box. I have not done anything to them. This is the hairline close up. Haven't done anything. This is beautifully done. You're going to install this wig with a glueless option. When I say glueless, meaning that I'm not using glue. I'm using adhesive sprays. But I do want to try out just using this Ebin Lace Bond hair mousse. I haven't actually tried it by itself, so we're going to install with this today. For me, the medium cap is a bit bigger. So what I like to do is get rid of the extra cap so that it can fit around the ears properly. So I'll just cut the shape around the ear without cutting the elastic. And usually I can just go like this and it'll go around the ear. It's been a frontal, that means you get parting around this area here. So unlike the 13x6 that goes further back, this one stops about right here, which isn't too bad. Like, the 4-inch parting still looks like a lot to me. Maybe, hold on. So yeah, okay, so on the sides it stops. Oh, it still goes all the way back to about right here before you hit that weft. And then on this side you can still go, oh okay, they give you good parting on this wig. Wefting is there, but the wefts don't start until you get back here, so it gives you a good amount of party space. I'm gonna take these scissors and cut the lace. That's how it looks. Got my hot comb ready and everything, and I don't even need the hot comb. So I'm not going to do any baby hairs or anything, so we're just going to use this melt spray just to melt the lace and apply a slight hold just to lay everything down. So I'm going to shake it up first, go like this and put it around that hairline like so. You don't need a lot of product. I mean, The more product, of course, the more hold, but also the more of a mess that you can create around that hairline. The goal is to keep the hairline from looking messy. And with a lot of wig glues, it leaves mess, residue, and it end up making the wig not look as natural as it should. So that's all I'm gonna put. I'm gonna dry this on cool air for a second so it can stop running. One thing I never do with any product that I use is tie down the hairline when it's running and wet, because I do feel like if your edge band gets stuck in the product when you go to remove it, what usually happens is it create a white residue. So I try to get it where it's not runny but still a little damp but not wet. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. I'm gonna tie down the hairline with this edge band. Lately I've been sharing some really good styles. I mean, the quality and everything has been. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes and I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Okay, that actually looks really good. The thing you will have to do is just maybe get rid of the crunch, so it won't be so plastered to your head like this. I usually just take a comb and brush upwards and fluff it out. Now this is a temporary hold, so it's not going to last for weeks. If you actually want to use a method that will hold through sweat and everything, go check out my previous video. I talk about and I share with you guys how to do a tape install. That's all, you guys. That's everything that I did. This wig straight out the box, if I can give my honest opinion, was mind-blowing to me. And I get great wigs all the time. I don't know what it was. Like, it was just something about it that's different. The hair came curled for one, and as you can see, like, it's still curled, it's still beautiful. This is 24 inches, so it comes down pretty long. It's full, it's thick. Like, as you can see, it has movement, it has weight. I am highly impressed with this wig. And like I said, they give you so many options for the cap. So even if you feel like the 13x4 HD costs too much, then you can go with a closure instead, which will be less. I will put some discounts and whatever they have going on with the sales in the description box. Be sure to check below, but for the most part, out of the box, straight out the box, this wig is gorgeous. The hair is really pretty. Everything about it is just instant. The only thing you had to do is cut the lace, which isn't that hard, to be honest. So it don't come with pre-cut lace, but it comes with everything else. Like, it's made so gorgeous. You can also like pull it up if you want to. You can do a half up, half down style with this. You can most likely even pull it into a ponytail if you wanted to, just because they put the comb in the back. And it's okay. I was gonna curl it, but it comes curled already. So it's like really nothing that I could do to it that wasn't already done. Again, I will have this wig linked below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, and I will see you all back in my next video. So stay tuned. Mwah.